Mother Nature goes soon out to the PS bound to the gold. A severe old asset, none else, all gone forever, non-existent, that can never exist again, none hang about here with the wire, and that's it. It was born animate, believe no souls is out. And that's it, done. The treatment became itself as out there. It was born animate, believe was out, and born without eyes, born without an actual brain, born without an actual face, born without actual limbs, and only born animate, believe was out, and Mother Nature vanished everywhere. No souls, born animate, believe, no souls, and they killed me, Mother Nature got it, became non-existent. And that's it, God's created all the PSN years, it began the earth shape forever. Me eyes, well, that's it, none else. And God and Mother Nature not as us anymore, all that's over. The as us, as it, that's it, and they're all gone forever, non-existent, they can never exist again. It's well as it, nothing else, nothing we're here with the words, well as it, and nothing else, and that's all. And no reason for me to be like this anymore, going through out of the PSNA, going to do the gold. All this over, the roses, we're not hurting inside this through Mother Nature's out there anymore. We're not soul, and not is all this over. And Mother Nature let me out of this on my own as well, so she will whenever the PSNA come to see me, God is out there. And that's it, that's all complete. That's that all gone forever, it can never exist again. And I'm angry to you, where is that? And nothing else all vanished. And it's born out of that believe no souls is out there, and that's it. Yeah, and really is all out there. That's Mother Nature is out there. It's vanished all out there as well, real. As well, and nothing else.